OnePlus has released the open beta version of Android Pie for OnePlus 6. In this video, I present you a quick review of Android Pie on my OnePlus 6. Without any further ado, let's begin. When you increase or reduce the volume, you can see a new customized design for the volume settings. Same is the case with the power menu. Also, you get a new design in the dialers application. When you open the notifications panel, you will see new rounded icons. Let's go to settings, display, click on notch display. Here you can hide or unhide the notch. Click on status bar. Here you can enable or disable the battery percentage. Click on time and here you can see the time even in seconds. This is really amazing. Go to buttons and gestures, navigation bar, enable navigation gestures. Swipe up to access the home screen. Swipe up and hold to access the recent apps. Also, you can switch between the apps from here. Swipe at left or right side to go back. To access the Easter egg of Android Pie, go to About Phone, click on Android version, and again click on Android version for few times. In this way, you can access the Easter egg of Android Pie. So this was a quick review of Android Pie on my OnePlus 6. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.